and pressure. You can write on your lecture note first. What do you mean by force and chapter 11? Chapter 11, force and pressure. And now we are only learning force because this chapter has been divided into force. See, 7th standard we had plenty of science chapters. Now the same chapters divided into 3 I told you. So each chapter, some chapter are very long, some are very short. So that's why. So you have to divide. I am dividing this chapter into 2 things. First, force and pressure. Pressure we will learn later. Clear? So periodic 1, I am planning periodic 1, we will have this chapter only. So you please, by July month, we will may have the first periodic test also. Okay, so you have to be careful. You have to concentrate in the class and physics. It is the basic of 9th, 10th and all. Okay, higher classes. 7th standard, we did not study much, but this standard, we are only concentrating on particular thing. Clear? Okay. So shall we, everyone knows, even small classes you have said, studied. Clear? Any new student is there in this class who joined this year? No, no one. Clear. Okay. Yes, Gauri Parvati, can you tell me your idea about the force?
Something made when we move, a pressure.
Yes, something we move or. Oh, very good. Can you give an example, Shane John, for moving something? Any action you can tell me.
Moving a bed.
Moving a bed. Oh, very good. Okay, moving a bed. Carlin, another action. Moving a door. Open the door. Okay, very good. Parvati, can you give me another example for it?
Yes, ma'am. Like pulling
Pulling what?
door.
Pulling the door. That means you are opening or closing. When did you pull the door? Either you close or when you open. Pulling. Opening. Okay. When you open, you are pulling the door. When you close, you are pushing. Okay, Shal, can you give me another example in games? In games where we use this force. So many games. Badminton is there. Cricket is there.
Cricket.
In cricket, can you tell me in cricket at what point there's a push and pull is taking place? Not like fighting, okay? When you play. Yes.
Bowling, when we throw the ball.
When you throw the ball. Is it push? Is it pull? When you throw the ball, no? The bowler come and throw it. Is it pull or push?
Push.
Yes, it's push. Okay. Isa, when the batsman is hitting, is it pull or push?
Push.
Push. Okay. Sriram, in football, will you do any pushing and pulling there? Not like fighting, okay? I don't want that. Yes. Say?
Yes, ma'am. While kicking the ball.
When you kick the football. Okay. Badminton. Who likes badminton? Yes, Ayan. Tell me, when you play badminton, what time you push?
When we hit the cock.
Yes, when we hit the cock. Okay. From all these things, can you compress and tell me what is this force now? All this example. Angelia, can you tell me? How can you get the definition of force from all these examples? Force is a? Angelia Biju. Can you unmute, Angelia? Any video stuck? Okay, Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat the?
Now, all these examples, can you give me a definition of force in your own words? Because some said, I push during cricket. Football time, I'm kicking, there is a push. Opening the door, there's a pull. Now tell me, what is force then? Force is
a pressure on a subject.
pressure. Leave the pressure. Pressure is not there. Okay. Pressure
When
no.
we are pushing or pulling an
Ma'am, it's a
object.
movement.
Yes,
So
very
good.
good. When you push or pull, what are you doing? You are applying a force, correct? So what is force? Force is a push or pull.
Pull.
Okay? Yes. So we are coming to the definition of the force. Force is a push or pull or both. Sometimes we can have both also. Can you give an example? In what time you have that both pushing and pulling?
Door.
Or door, what door? When you get angry, no? When you get angry, you will open and close the door. Is that so? Okay, something which is concrete. That's okay, good. That's fun. When you get angry, nowadays we get angry when you are at home. Correct? You become short-term bird, cannot go. Now, Adityan, why are you so silent, Adityan, today? Huh? Otherwise, Adityan always give me answer in 7th standard. Correct, Adityan?
Yes, ma'am.
Feeling sleepy?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Tell me now. Can you tell me any game where you do push and pull? Not fighting, okay, Adityan? When you play, you do something. Push or pull both together.
Ma'am, in roller hockey skating.
Yes. Okay. Amna, can you give me some example, Amna? Huh?
Hello?
In which action we can do both push or pull? Any example? Any game where we do push or pull together?
Hockey.
Hockey. Okay.
Volleyball.
Hockey. Volleyball. Volleyball is an example. Yeah. We will push
Relay.
and pull. Relay. Relay. Where is the relay in push or pull?
Ma'am,
Both we are
ma'am,
doing. Hmm.
Ma'am, the stick, we are pushing it to the person and the person pulls it.
You are giving that baton. Yeah. You
Ma'am.
give the baton. Then he
Yes,
pull
ma'am.
it and run. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Coco.
Coco. Very good. So that is what? So force can be not only push or pull, it is also both. Clear? So force is a push or pull or both. And a force cannot be seen, but we can feel it. Correct? Yeah, you may see if you fight and or pushing and pulling, we will do it. But always force, when you apply actual force, you experience it. Correct? Everyone now join your hands together and nicely press it. Nicely press both the hands. Yes. Together. Together. Yes. What do you feel in your hands? Yes? Yeah.
Say.
You will feel it. Arjun, you are nicely smiling. Can you tell me what did you feel?
Force.
Force. That means you both hands you are applying and you are getting a force. Correct? Yes. So that is what. So we can feel it. Yeah. And push. Actually, how do you define this push or pull in a daily life? Push means you are moving an object away from you. Correct? When you hit a six, you are moving away the ball away from you. Pull means what we do?
Taking it away.
Moving the
Moving
object
towards
near
you.
to us.
Yes, near to you. Okay, very good. Very good. And there are some examples. You also said so many examples in our daily life. We playing guitar. How many knows to play guitar? How many like to play? You are studying guitar while in offline classes were there. Lakshmi, you were playing guitar, no? No.
No, ma'am, drums.
Oh, drums. Okay, drums. Okay. Playing guitar. That also both push or pull. Both. Now, sweeping the floor, cleaning or mopping the floor. Is that we do both push or pull? Both? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Then rowing the boat.
Yes.
Rowing the boat. So like so many examples in our daily life.
Taking
Clear?
water from the well.
Drawing, yes. Put the bucket, take the fill the water and throw it. Very good. So you have so today you have a homework for you. So see, one class in a week. We can't spend more time, but I still give you a work. Till next week comes, you write it down. Some of the actions you apply the force in our daily life, in surrounding. Now you all are sitting at home, you may be playing, some are cooking the food, some are learning to do something, okay, out of your time. So everyone had to note it down, okay? Note it down, some of the actions where you do push and pull, okay? I don't want others doing what you do. So you observe. I think you may get plenty, but I wanted only this week, no, entire week, you will get plenty of things. I am meeting you only on Monday, next Monday. So I think 5 days, Monday to Friday, 5 days. In every day, you minimum, okay, you can write or 5 enough. In every day, 5. Even if it is
Ma'am,
going to be less, it's okay.
in 5 days, one day each we have to write 5.
Yeah, each no. Monday you are doing so many things, no? You will get 5 things, correct? Yeah. So up to Friday. So 5 into 5, 25. You will get 25 actions. Clear? So write it down, and that should be a push or pull. Okay? Anything or both. I know some of the girls may be sweeping. Daily you are sweeping. Write it down. That's an action. Okay. We teachers, no, we are mothers. We are mothers. We are cooking daily. We are making chapati, kneading, everything we are doing.
Ma'am, making chapati, push and
Making chapati, what are push also, pull also. Correct. Yes. Okay.
Dragging mouse.
Yes. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. So you can write. That's your activity. When Monday comes, I wanted that sheet. You can write it down in your ruled sheets. Okay. Activity 1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show the slide to write the sentence?
That I'll tell you, Adityan, you listen to me. You wake up now. Okay. Yes. I will give you time. Okay. So
Okay,
first,
ma'am.
so this activity is your homework. Clear? Yes. Now you can write. I don't want everything to write. What I tell you, only you write. Okay. So you only write this one. Don't write other things. This, and you can also write the examples. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So now you write in your lecture notes, force. No need of writing in big letter. You can just write as it is, very simple, and the small sentence that will give you to remain in your memory. Okay, because we are writing question answers in later. So first you write this one. That's enough. Write force and put a hyphen like this. What do you mean by force? It's a definition of force. Clear? Yes. Right? Force is a push or a pull or both. Okay. After that, we will go to the effects of force. Clear? Then example, you can write. You can write so many other examples. With that, you can write this also. Cleaning the floor, sweeping the floor, writing. Writing is an action. Now you are writing. You are writing. Okay, it's an action. With that, you can enter this also. Scrubbing the floor. Instead of scrubbing, you can write mopping the floor. It's okay. Rowing a boat. Sawing wood, you know, sawing wood. Cutting the big wood in where the furniture we all make, no?
Yeah.
They will use a big sword and they will go on cutting it. That is push or pull. 2 people. Now, no, now we have machines. Okay. Olden times, 2 people have to sit in both sides and we have to push and pull. Now the machine push and pulls, people won't push and pull. Okay.
Turning the fan switch.
Yes. Every action what you do in your life is a force. Without that, you cannot do. That's what we are having food, correct? We are having food. We get energy so that we can do our life. You run, you
Running.
walk, you
Running.
jump. If you are in the school, I know what you do in the school. You have PT period, you have games period, and how much you play, we know. So everything what you do is a force.
How much example needed?
Example, you can add with the 4. With this 4 example, you can add another 2. Because so many examples. Because everyone understood what is force, correct? So it's not a difficult thing. Is it over, Aditya? Others? Simple, no?
Yes, ma'am.
It's simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next slide? Yes. Now we are going to study the effects of force. I come back to this slide later because this is a we will first learn effects of force and we go to the previous slide. Clear? So now next heading you have to write effects of force on an object. Effects of force on an object. Can you see? Okay. Now don't write only heading. Clear? I'll tell you what to write. Okay, see the picture. So many pictures you can see here. Only write the heading. I'll tell you what are the things to be written. Okay. Amal, did you complete writing heading? Yes. Amal, you can see the first picture over there. What is that, Amal?
Pulling a car.
Pulling the car or pushing the car?
No, pushing the car.
Pushing the car. When he pushes the car, what happened to the car?
Car moves forward.
Yes, car moves forward. So the first effect of force, don't write, I'll tell you what to write. First effect of force is motion. Motion of an object. Okay. When you push or pull, even you have a trolley bag, correct? When you go to mall, you have a big trolley, you put the objects and then you pull it. So first effect means a force can move an object. Force can move an object. Yes. So you can write the first point. Force can make an object to move from rest. Only write the first point, okay? Force can make an object to move from rest. Only that you write. That's the first effect of force. Pranav, what's happened to video, Pranav? Come. Abhinav? Okay. Abhinav, I'm going to ask you this picture where the person is riding. Can you tell me the effect of force? Without not motion, something else you have to tell me. You can see he is in a cycle rally. That means race. So the picture is for a race. Others are there, but I'm only taken that person. Can you tell me about, apart from the motion, what is the changes in this?
If he cycles fast.
Yes, very good. Very good. What is that? He is moving fast. That means force can change the speed of an object. Correct? Force can change the speed of an object. Now you can write this point as 2. Okay? Because stopping the car and everything come under motion. Clear? So you can write that the second point. Force can change the speed of an object if it is moving. Because the second point, force can stop, it also come under first point. Okay. Yes. Have you completed, children? Okay, Rudra, Sanil, can you tell me, look at the picture of this person. Either cricket or this football. You know the goal. Now Euro Cup is going on. Maybe boys are more interested, I think. Who is interested in football? Who is interested in football? Tell me. Yes, Isa. Okay. Do you play football, Isa?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shane,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
play football now?
No. Yeah. Now also
Yeah.
I play.
With your friend, with your brother, small brother, who is in
Cousin
fifth
brother.
stand? Cousin
Cousin
brother. Okay. Now, which cup is going on TV?
Euro Cup.
Euro Cup. Who won the Euro Cup yesterday? I mean to say who won the yesterday's match? It was about, huh?
Ma'am, I
Did you want?
forgot to write.
Don't know. See,
Yeah,
who
I know.
knows?
Ma'am, I know. Ma'am, there were
Tell
so
me.
many matches.
So many.
There
Any
was
one match.
Netherlands,
Okay. Which match?
Netherlands versus Ukraine. Netherlands won the match.
Okay, Netherlands won the match. Okay, very good. Now, by looking at the picture, apart from the motion and the speed, okay, Vaishnav, what else the changes taking place? See, the ball is coming, football is coming, and the goalkeeper may not know in where it is going to be. Correct? So he jumps particular, what do you call for that? Jumping in different places. Direction, very good. So the third change. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. So you can write as a third point is this one. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. Very good. So football, cricket, all these games, even badminton, everything. There's a lot of changing direction because that's a game. According to whatever things come, the person has to be ready to take it. Okay, force can change the direction of motion of an object. So we have finished first effect, second effect, third effect. Now we are moving on to last effect. Anusha will tell me, you know, the someone is making chapati, correct? Anusha, so this picture, yes. What are the things are happening when you make a chapati over there? First, what we take? Is the chapati like this before? No.
It's
Tell
like
me.
a bowl.
It's a dough. And then what we do?
It becomes flat.
It's flour. Then mix with water. Yes. Then you make a ball and then we will roll on chapati. The chapati box or what you call the round thing. Sometimes we will use wooden thing, otherwise fiber thing. Now machine also is there. Clear? Okay. What are the changes taking place in the dough? Tell me. That's what
changes
important.
its shape.
Yeah, shape. So the fourth one, force can change the shape of an object. So these are the four important effects of force: motion, speed, direction, shape. Now all got the points, the effects of force. Clear? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, now it's clear. Up to here, it's very clear to you. Is it clear? Yes. So these are the important points. First, definition of the force and effects of force. Clear? Motion, speed, direction, and
Shape.
shape. Clear? Okay. I think everyone completed this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now we go back to the previous one. Next, what it is, let me check. Yeah, these are some examples in our life. I have just given the pictures over there. You must, yes.
Ma'am, I was having a Turkish. Can you repeat?
Aditya, okay. Adityan, how much you write, Adityan?
Ma'am, second and force can change the speed. Only that.
Only that much. Now you write. Force can change the direction. I'll show you that slide.
Okay, ma'am.
Others complete. Wait, because now it is gone up. Let me come bring it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Now what I wanted you to write. You finish? 2 points, correct? Force can change the speed of an object. Now you have to write the this one as third point. Force can change the direction of motion of an object. Right. Afterwards, this one. Okay. So
Okay,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4. Abhinav also, I know that you have network issues, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there's another one also here. Force
There
can
is a,
stop a moving object. Force
I didn't-
can stop a moving object is also here.
yes, force can stop a moving object, that is comes under motion. Motion means you know, na? We will move, we will stop. So it comes under motion, I told you. So that is why even you write force can stop a moving object, it's okay. But this come under motion. Motion means stopping, starting, everything comes. Clear? So,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. So mainly learn the four. So stop is coming under the motion. That's why. Position changing. Force can change the position. You get up and move. That also can take place. Clear? That all come under motion. Yes. So these are the some examples in our daily life we see. It's stuck. It's stuck, I think. It's stuck.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, fourth one is force can change the shape of an object.
Yes. Force can change the shape of an object. And if you want fifth point, oh, it's stuck now. I had to stop it, I think. Okay. Look, everyone, you can write as the fifth point. If you need, you can write one more point here. Force can change the position of an object. Write down. Force can change the position of an object. It is come under motion, but we can write if you are required. Okay, suppose if I ask you any 4 points, you can write this also. Okay, force can change the position. That means you are picking up your pen and keeping somewhere. So that is the change the position of an object. Aditya, you wrote?
Yes, ma'am, finished. Thank
Oh.
you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. So now these are the effects of force. So I think next thing we cannot study because time up, only 4 minutes left. But we can just see what is the next point. This is not moving, that's why. Okay, so next thing, see, in all this force, how many objects are there? For example, a person kicking a football. How many objects are there in that? Tell me.
Two.
Two people. Krishna Kripa, are you the new student?
No, ma'am.
You were in 6th, seventh C or something like
No.
No, no.
No. 7th.
Seventh itself. Okay. Because that time I cannot make out some of your faces. That's why. Annette Rose. Yeah. Okay, Annette Rose, in this kicking football, how many objects involved in this?
Two.
Two. One is player, another one is the ball. So from this, what you understand, how does force apply? How does the force apply? Force apply due to interaction of two objects. How does force apply? So far we have learned what is force, then effects of force. The next thing, how does force apply? So force apply due to interaction. It is stuck, that's so you can show. Interaction, I'll say the spelling. Those who know the spelling, you write interaction, I-N-T-E, interaction.
The heading we have to write.
No, you can just write as the next thing. How does force apply? How does force apply? How does force apply? Stuck, I think. Okay. How does force apply? And below that you write force takes place, force takes place due to, Abhinay, are you writing dear? Are you writing? Force takes place due to interaction. 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 Of
NTE.
INTERACTION. Interaction. Clear? Interaction
Okay,
of
ma'am.
more than one object. More than one object. It is not necessary we have only two. You can sometimes more objects also we will use. Like making dough. There are two things. One is rolling stick. Another one where you spread the flour, then plus flour. So three things are there. So interaction due to
And then the
interaction
person
of
also will
more
come,
than
right?
one object. Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, in rolling chapati, the person also will be
Yes,
there, right?
yes. Person also. I forgot about the person. So there are four things in that. Clear. Now machine, no, there is now that also is not there sometimes. Clear. Okay, children. So now winds up the session now. So I
Excuse me,
have
ma'am.
already given the activity. Don't forget
Ma'am.
activity. Daily 5 actions you do in which push
Excuse
or
me.
pull or both. Yes, Parvati, Gauri, tell me.
Ma'am, when we stretch our hand, is there any interaction?
No, stretching the hands only our body part is moving, no? But still you apply the force, correct? One
Yes.
object, you. Yeah? You apply the force. That's why. You apply the force. That is there. Clear?
Is there any interaction with the
Interaction means actually majority actions, generally speaking, we have so many objects around us. Okay. So in the case of stretching your hands, yes, you are applying the force. But here, what is the interaction? Interaction with your muscles, your body muscles and your hand. So muscles is a part over there. Okay. When you jump,
Okay,
when
ma'am.
you walk, when you run, muscle is another part. So it is an interaction between you and your muscles. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, children. Don't
Thank
forget
you,
the
ma'am.
activity. Okay. We
Thank you,
meet on next Monday. Bye. Thank you.